In the world of modern armored warfare, few tanks have built a legacy as strong and consistent as the Russian T-90A. Even in 2026, despite newer tanks like the T-90M and T-14 Armata entering the spotlight, the T-90A remains a powerful, reliable, and battle-tested machine that continues to play a major role in Russia's armored forces. The T-90A represents a unique blend of Soviet rugged design and early 2000s modernization. And over the years, it has continuously evolved to stay relevant on the modern battlefield. In today's video, we explore the history, design, upgrades, performance, and 2026 condition of the T-90A, revealing why this tank is still far from becoming obsolete. The T-90A was introduced in the early 2000s as a major improvement over the first generation. T-90, its goal was simple: create a tank that maintained the durability and cost-effectiveness of Soviet designs while adding modern features, improved firepower, and enhanced crew protection. Unlike earlier tanks, the T-90A used a welded turret instead of the older cast turret design. This instantly improved ballistic protection and provided better flexibility for adding reactive armor. Even in 2026, this welded turret remains one of the most recognizable features of the vehicle. The heart of the T-90A is its 125mm smoothbore to a 4.6mm gun, designed to fire a wide range of ammunition types from a PFSDS rounds to heat shells. And even guided missiles, the T-90A has always been known for its versatility and offensive power. While newer tanks have more advanced barrels and fire control systems, the T-90A's gun remains highly effective, especially after Russia's post-2015 upgrades that improved stabilization and fire-on-the-move accuracy. In 2026, many T-90A tanks have also received updated ammunition types that allow them to punch through modern armor more effectively. One of the tank's most distinctive strengths is its multi-layered defensive system. The T-90A uses Contact 5 explosive reactive armor, a significant upgrade over earlier Soviet-era designs. Contact 5 is capable of reducing the penetration effectiveness of both kinetic and chemical warheads. Although it is not as advanced as the later relic era found on the T-90M, it still provides strong protection against many battlefield threats. The 2026 versions of the T-90A often feature improved ear replacement and additional side protection panels designed to counter newer anti-tank guided missiles and drone-delivered munitions. In addition to physical armor, the T-90A is equipped with soft-kill protection systems. Early models famously used the Stora-1 electro-optical jammer designed to disrupt enemy missile guidance systems. While the full Stora suite is not installed on every T-90A in 2026, many tanks retain laser warning receivers and smokescreen deployment systems that allow rapid reaction when the vehicle is targeted. Over the years, Russia has upgraded these systems incrementally, making them more sensitive and reliable in complex combat environments. Mobility is another key strength of the T-90A. Powered by a V9.2S2 diesel engine producing around 1,000 horsepower, the tank offers a solid power-to-weight ratio. It is not as fast or powerful as newer tanks, but it remains highly maneuverable and efficient. The T-90A's mobility is especially effective in harsh conditions, such as snow, mud, wetlands, and urban rubble. In 2026, many T-90A tanks continue to undergo engine upgrades, IMP ROV-ED filtration, and enhanced transmission reliability to ensure consistent performance in extended operations. One of the biggest differences between the T-90A and its older Soviet cousins is the improved fire control system. Equipped with thermal imaging, night vision equipment, and laser range-finding technology, the T-90A allows the crew to engage targets day and night with better accuracy than most earlier Russian tanks. Although the T-90M has more advanced optics, the T-90A still performs effectively in low-visibility environments. In recent years, Russia has installed upgraded thermal imagers and digital cameras on many T-90A units, further enhancing target detection in 2026. The crew survivability inside the tank has also been gradually improved. The turret interior has better insulation, the seats are more comfortable, and the internal fire suppression system is faster and more efficient compared to older designs. The autoloader system has also been refined over time. Although the ammunition is still stored relatively close to the crew, which remains a vulnerability. Upgrades in ammunition, storage, safety have reduced the risk of catastrophic detonation compared to earlier Russian tanks. In terms of battlefield role, the T-90A fills the gap between older T-72 variants and the newer, more expensive T-90M and T-14 platforms. In 2026, the T-90A is commonly used in operational units, rapid deployment forces, and mixed armored brigades. Its reliability, lower operational cost, and proven durability make it a strong choice for extended missions. Russia continues to deploy T-90A tanks in various conflict zones, where they receive real-time feedback that influences future upgrades. One of the biggest advantages of the T-90A in 2026 is its cost-effectiveness. While next-generation tanks demand high-precision manufacturing, expensive electronics, and advanced materials, the T-90A is far easier to produce and maintain. This makes it attractive not only for Russia, but also for international customers. Several countries that operate T-90A units have updated their fleets with Russian assistance, ensuring that the tank remains relevant globally. Despite these strengths, the T-90A does face limitations. Its armor, while strong, is not as advanced as the composite and reactive layers seen on more modern tanks. Its electronics, even with upgrades, are not as advanced as Western systems used by NATO tanks, and its ammunition storage system, although improved, still presents a risk if the tank is penetrated by high-powered weapons. Russia has acknowledged these weaknesses and often supplements T-90A units with T-90M and T-80BVM units for more demanding missions. Still, the T-90A's longevity speaks for itself. More than 2 decades after its introduction, it remains a key part of Russia's armored forces. The combination of strong firepower, durable armor, improved night fighting capability, and rugged mobility makes it a well-balanced battle tank. While it may not be the most advanced or most modern machine in Russia's arsenal, it is one of the most reliable and combat-ready tanks available. As we look at the T-90A in 2026, we see a tank that continues to evolve. It may not carry the futuristic look of the Armata or the heavy digital suite of the T-90M, but it carries something equally important: proven battlefield performance and consistent modernization. Whether operating in open terrain, dense forests, or urban areas, the T-90A remains a dependable warrior that shows no sign of retiring anytime soon. The T-90A's legacy is one of adaptation and endurance, and as long as Russia continues to update and upgrade this platform, it will remain a significant force on the modern battlefield.